Hi, welcome today. We're going to connect our iPad to our MacBook, and we're going to stream in some audio from our iPad into our MacBook, and we're going to be doing that with GarageBand. So join us today. Thank you. So first I'm going to choose GarageBand on the iPad, and I'm going to just create a new document. From here I'm going to choose an external instrument, so I can choose other applications, other apps like GrooveBox here. And I can load this GrooveBox from Amplify Novation into the GarageBand on the iPad. So here we do have some instruments lined up in GrooveBox. If I turn this up, you can hear this coming out of the iPad. We can also go back into GarageBand. We can see in GarageBand it is coming through into GarageBand. Here we have a little notify that it's GrooveBox. All right, so now that we have some music playing on the iPad, we're going to add this music to the MacBook. And the way that we're going to do that is first we're going to connect the Apple Beats pill here. So I'm going to Beats pill. We're going to do a connect. You can hear the Beats pills now initialize as connected. The next step we're going to do is we're going to head to Audio MIDI Setup. And in Audio MIDI Setup, we can see the iPad is here, and we have that through the lightning cable that we have connected. So we can just enable. And now you'll hear that the music's disappeared. That's actually a good thing. That means that this music is now being channeled into the MacBook. So next thing is to be able to hear it. What we're going to do that is open GarageBand. We could also open Logic Pro or Live. Any of these could now receive this signal coming from the iPad. And in GarageBand, we're just going to open up an empty project. And what's great about GarageBand is that comes on the MacBook and on the iPad. So here in GarageBand on the MacBook, we want to just make sure in GarageBand that we are using our input as the iPad, which we have set. And here we want to choose audio. So we're on audio right here. We're going to hit create. And now we can see that this audio is being streamed into the application GarageBand on the MacBook. And to hear it, I'm just going to tap the monitoring button right here. And that's great. Now you can hear the actual audio coming from the iPad, from an app in the iPad, going into GarageBand on the iPad, into GarageBand on the MacBook, coming out through our Beats pill. You know, I mean, I can even go into the app and start playing it. You know, could put on record. And here we can see it actually recording that drum beat. Add a little synth to that. We can throw on some bass. And there you are, running apps from your iPad into your MacBook, doing a recording on your MacBook. This can be any young person that wants to start a studio or old person that wants to get reintroduced to being creative with their music instrument in their iPad. So thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.